beautiful. What I like about film is I can stop, I can breathe, I can completely focus, and I can just be there and I click that shutter and I have 100% trust in film. I know the color will be right. I know the shadows will be natural. I know the skin and the feel of the image will all be there. I love to travel, I love people, I love freedom, I love to be able to spend a lot of time with my family, and I love the challenge of making photography work. It's more than holding a camera and taking a picture. What I do is I shoot people, and I work with people, and I capture people, moment, expression, life. It feels like it's just me and the subject, and that relationship's important because it's that subject and I working together to capture that final image.
Magical, magical.
So I got hired by quite a lot of companies because of my lifestyle photography, because of my road trips, because of my outdoor interests. And the reason why these companies love these images is because they were real. I have a lot of tricks of what I do to capture those real moments, those Canon moments, and it's all about keeping in motion. More movement, the more relaxed the subject is, the more relaxed I am. I'll tell them like 5, 6 things to do at one time where they're so confused and they just keep going and they'll start laughing.
Look right, look down, but look up, but down, walk towards me. Now walk backwards. Whoa, yep, there it is. There it is.
And even walking to the next location, I'll see the 2 models talking naturally about something at home, their family or whatnot, or the scenery. I'll make sure I capture that on the way. So I'm always shooting and always moving. Hybrid photography is using 2 different formats for one purpose. What I'm known for, a lot of my images that people like are my film images. So I can't run away from that, and I don't want to run away from that, and I respect that, and I love it. So I'll always shoot film. At the same time, if I said I'll never shoot digital, I would lose a lot of opportunities for work. There was one day I chose, I'm going to be a full-time photographer, and I decided to run with it. So because of that, I'm like, I'm going to learn everything about film. I'm going to learn everything about digital. As soon as you get comfortable, everything's just going to pass you by. Everything that life brings to us makes us who we are today. Photography allows me to capture what life's all about, and I want to keep that real. If I get to be able to offer these experiences to the people I work with, that means the world to me. That's awesome.